right, you want to go up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Furby loves to be pet and brushed.
Hey everyone.
Hi, I'm Eric, and welcome to Eric's Tech World, where technology and adventure meet. Here's a little bit of what you can expect by being on this channel. My channel features future and current technology in AI, gadgets and toys, outdoor gear, and everything in between, all while putting these products into real situations, and testing them through indoor and outdoor adventures. Now, I have 4 playlists that hopefully make it easier for you to find the videos, the ideas, and the adventures that you're most interested in. First up, I've got a playlist called AI Robots, Future Tech, and more. Here, I'll explore the latest in AI robots, smart gadgets, and futuristic tech. From humanoid robots to cutting-edge AI innovations, this playlist covers the future and current state of tech products and ideas. Next playlist up is called Tech-Powered Travel and Urban Exploration. I was thinking about skating in here, but I don't know that that's going to be possible. There's lots of glass. Here, I'll explore abandoned places, hidden spots, and amazing travel destinations, all powered by GoPros, drones, AI, and/or the latest tech. Now, my third playlist is called Deep Dives: Tech, Pop Culture, and Nostalgia. This includes in-depth video essays and product reviews on older or very niche technology, pop culture, nostalgia, retro and current gaming, toys, and so much more. And if full-length videos aren't your thing, or you just want a little extra content on the side, I also do YouTube Shorts, where I give extra context to things that I've already made videos about, or completely new things that I feel work better in short video formats. And if you're interested in skateboarding, which is what this channel originally began around, I have a totally separate YouTube channel called Eric Skateboards if you want to go and check that out. Skateboarding content all the time. It's pretty sweet. So if any of those things sound interesting to you, like robots, tech, and adventure, consider hitting that subscribe button. I put out videos every single week. I'm Eric, and this is Eric's Tech World, where tech and adventure meet. I'll see you soon on a screen near you. Let's get out of here, Ivy. But not before taking your brother with us. See you later.